Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make realistic car paint in a simple way, so let's get started. For this tutorial, I'll be using this Corvette you can find on my Telegram. So first, let's go into shading mode, which you can find above. For some unknown reason, I have it in Italian, but don't worry, my blender's in English, so you'll understand everything. First, you need to create a new basic material, which I already have as you can see. With Alt-A, we add a color ramp and connect it to the base color. In the color ramp, you can assign two colors, and as you like, choose which one has more weight in the paint. As you can see, you can play around until you find the color you like best. Well, the car has a color, but it is too perfect, in the sense that in reality, you will never see something like this. But a bit of imperfection is needed. So to Alt-A and let's add a noise texture, then add a color ramp and link the noise texture to it like I do. Now add an invert color and connect it to the color ramp. Link the color of the invert to the roughness of the principled BSDF. Lower the invert color factor to 0. In the color ramp, press this arrow and flip color ramp. By moving the black towards white, you can already notice some changes in the paint. Then change the scale and roughness of the noise texture. In this case, I set the roughness to 0.8 and the scale to 200. Now, as you can see, our car paint has some imperfections that make it more realistic. By playing with the color ramp, you can decide how much imperfection you want. You see, by zooming in, these details come out, which definitely make the car more realistic. Obviously, you can change the metallic as you like. Once you've found the values you like, you can add a texture coordinate and a mapping, and link everything with the noise texture. This way you can move, rotate, and scale your material as you like. Well, the video's over. I recommend you learn how to do it like this, even though there are much more complex and realistic ways to create car paint. But this is a good first approach. So, thank you for making it this far, and you'll find the model I used with the material applied in my Telegram. If you liked the video, follow me, and if you didn't understand something, please ask in the comments. Thanks, and see you next time.